In the field, performance isn't optional. It's expected. Technology should work as hard as the people who rely on it, seamlessly, reliably, without interruption. Introducing the Panasonic TOUGHBOOK 56 docking station from Gamber-Johnson. Purpose-built for the TOUGHBOOK 56, it delivers effortless docking with auto-docking alignment and a floating connector, creating a secure, consistent connection every time. A front-facing status indicator provides instant confirmation, so you're always ready to move without hesitation. With secure latching and keyed locking, your device stays protected in demanding, fast-moving environments. Flexible port replication and optional dual RF pass-through ensure your setup adapts to the needs of your workflow, today and into the future. All in a compact, vehicle-optimized design that keeps your workspace clean, organized, and focused. Because when everything is on the line, you need a solution you can trust. The Panasonic TOUGHBOOK 56 docking station from Gamber-Johnson. Mount it, power it, carry it.